This is the third period. It has begun, and the scorekeeper's hands are frozen. He hasn't had to do a thing since the warm-up ended. Nothing. Nicely into the zone. Good place to shoot from. Wonderful stop. Off that face-off from the tie-up, the help came. Solid neutralized poke check. Tampa Bay's lugging it up the wing. Muscled right off it. Passing one off now to Dano. Lets it go. Glanced off the post. Look out, here it comes.
What a hit. There goes his brain bucket.
To the half wall. To Stamkos. Hangs onto it. Gets it back. Collected in the corner. Pass to the point. Terrific determination by Hedman. Pass attempt to Stamkos. Takes a shot. Save. All a part of generating an offense. Little pass off from the goal. Save there. Goalie's one of the 6 guys on the ice. He can pass. He did that. Has that point pass as well. Trying to go to Stamkos. Palat's carrying it through center. Did not get anything up. The Canadiens carrying it in their own end. Pitching this one to Drouin. Nice play with the stick. Nothing more will come. Oh, what a hit that one was.
Each team has tried to force their will onto the game at various points tonight, but there is no spread in the game. 2 evenly matched teams playing a tight game.
He gets it back. Lets it go. The lane was jammed, and it hit somebody. Puck is thrown to Drouin. Lets the shot fly. Caromed off the mask. Got that pass in his own end. Slid back across from one point to the other. Oh, great save there. Not much room to work, but he got a good shot away.
The shooter thought he had a chance, but the goaltender robs him. What a stop.
And freezes play for the whistle. Just a hair over 4 minutes to go in the third. No goals to report yet. They win the draw. Now can they get it out? Broke that play up at center. A neutral zone interception. Fires a shot. Got a piece of that one. Outstanding job done at the blue line to hold the pressure on. Tampa Bay is in possession as they travel through the neutral zone. From the outside. Save! We are in the final minute of what has been a tremendous hockey game. Back in his defensive end to get it. Gathered up again by Ryan Callahan. Keeps it in the zone with that interception. A shot! Wonderful save. What a skill level there.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area.
And a save. What a point-blank shot. The Canadiens have it along the side at mid-ice. On to Petrie. Gathered up by Callahan. Pitching it to Killorn. Shoots. A diving shot block. What a performance, and it's not over yet. These guys will play on in overtime. Sudden death overtime is underway. If nobody scores, a shootout will be next. Right into the slot. That hits somebody. Keeps it going along the boards. shoots. Outstanding save. What magic even to get there and get the shot off.
Terrific stop from right in front of the net, but you got to find a way to put the puck in the net.
Lugged along the line. A backhand shot. Swept aside. Oh, and the pass wouldn't go. Great save. Directing that one to Kucherov. Tampa Bay's looking to head man up the wing. Nicely received at the point. Puck loose, couldn't get through. Is this it? Taken over again. 2-on-1. Let's go, Arister. Paddled aside. Drouin's trying to work his way out of his own end. Wonderful stop. Solid pad save. Score! Game over. Overtime winning goal. The buzzer ends this contest. The Canadiens have taken this one in sudden